Here is how we can sign in to Yahoo Mail on your Android phone. Let me show you how you can do this, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So the most common method is that you go to the Play Store and then download the official Yahoo Mail app, just like I did, right? But when you download it and open it up, you can see that you are greeted with this UI, and you cannot really access your emails unless you sign in. So you get it here and you need to know which account you want to use inside of the Yahoo Mail. So most likely you want to go with the Yahoo account, but you can see that you can also join with Google. So you can literally sign in with your Gmail account, but use the Yahoo Mail client app. So it's up to you. But let's say I'm going to click on the sign in with Yahoo, and I'm just going to type in my email address. So it's foxtecc@yahoo.com, right? I'm going to click on the next, and then now I just have to type in the password. So I'm going to move the phone aside for a while so I can actually type that in. Now you can see the password is in there. I'm going to click on the next, and now I should be signed in. So apparently I didn't type in the correct one, so let me do that again. And now hopefully it is going to work. So it does. And as you can tell, it takes a while to load up. You might get a few pop-ups, right? So I can see only one email, but it's still loading up. But the point is that I can now use the app. I can go to my account once it loads up and everything, right? I can just set up and start new messages and everything works fine. That's how I just managed to sign in to my Yahoo Mail. On the other hand, you should also know that you can use your Yahoo Mail account, but inside of a different client. So most people don't realize that you can use the Gmail app even for Yahoo Mail. So you can get inside like this, tap on your account, and you can click on add another one. And we literally have the Yahoo one right in here. So you can just sign in the exact same way, but with the difference that you will write your emails through the Gmail app, through their interface. So if you prefer the features of Gmail, but use Yahoo Mail, then I guess this is the ideal scenario for you. So let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.